that you making all that noise last night?
Wasn't me.
Well, somebody up here had money to burn.
Oh, they'd been a lot. I told the kids, my daughter, Dana and Ashley, and them all went to the Royals game. I said, you had the right idea. You got to watch free fireworks and,
There you go.
and good ones too.
Yeah.
No, I didn't spend them. Actually, last year I spent a little money. We went over to his house. I spent. No, I don't spend the damn money on
Okay.
them.
Well, I thought I saw them haul in a bunch of chairs and stuff. Up
Oh,
here.
they did here a while back. They had a couple of birthdays. They hauled them out. They didn't have anything up here last night though.
Oh, that's what I thought. And,
Yeah.
And we were down there, and it's like it was constant up this way.
I think it was down there. They did in real. Maybe Dan might have
Okay.
done. Yeah, I was telling Dana we just go. Asher had a ball game in St. Joe. We just got back a little while ago. I said, I just listened. I was trying to watch TV. I said, these freaking people, I don't know where they get the money
I
at.
know it,
God,
yeah.
it
I
sounded
know
like World War II.
Oh,
For
and
hours.
prices have got, I don't know. I haven't bought them for years, but I figure if they're like groceries or anything
Yeah.
else, man, it's got to be a lot of money.
Oh yeah, it's crazy. Well, it's like Dana. They went to bought some here a year or two ago, and you watch these people just. They ain't got the money. They ain't got the money. Credit card, just
I
they're
know it.
freaking
Yeah.
nuts.
Yeah, I know.
I won't spend the money on them.
I'm fixing to start eating squirrel.
Well,
I'm going conservative.
I tell you what, I got zucchini. I told the kids I went 4 nights straight, fixed 2 big fried zucchini.
Were they yours, or-
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
zucchini. Yeah,
good.
oh yeah. And then I'm gonna have a bunch of tomatoes. I'll probably live on tomatoes. I just told the kids I don't care even going out eating anymore. I don't know if the kids getting older or what.
Last fall, I was riding down through here, and I forget where it was. It may have been right at the corner of that field. I found a sweet potato laying
I
there.
threw it over there.
Okay.
I threw it beside the top. I put 2 of them by. They were sprouted. They were sprouted up.